So here's the room after the scraping. I didn't give 100% on scraping, just took off mostly the loose stuff, let it dry out a little bit. Of course, this doesn't fix the problem. Look at all that. I got to sweep all this up now. Here's all the plastic baseboards. Got to get rid of those. Underneath the stairs. Can't really see in there too, but it's a lot of plaster and paint and everything coming off here. Wet walls. So that's probably the problem if you buy an older house or maybe even newer house, but house in Georgia, they tend not to make or use gutters. So when it rains, the rain just falls right next to the house. Eventually the cement and the walls and the stones get wet. Then, actually here's some interesting with the screws. A lot of them are quite rusted. So, actually most of them are. You can kind of see they're dark. Here's a pretty good one still. A little rust on the tip, but see how most of those are already brown and rusty color. So, excuse me. I was just talking about the gutters. They put a new roof on here. It's not too bad. A little late, but also I think they understood about the walls being wet. And upstairs they had this green metal. These are actually gutters. So they didn't put them up yet. I was gonna get some gutters, but upstairs I found these. So now I have free gutters. I gotta get these up, and then the walls should dry out. Should take a little time, of course, but will dry out. This blanket here, they left it here also. I was just gonna throw it out because who wants an old blanket? Then, excuse me, I looked at it. It's pretty good. So I'll just wash it, maybe I could use it. And then I took it to another property. And now there's a tear in it. Either I tore it or I didn't see the tear. But now I use it for my knees on the floor so I don't hurt my knees. So I use it as padding. I'll probably put it down and use it as painting. So you can use a lot of the stuff you find around for free. The gutters, it'll cost a little bit of money, but now it's free. So you never know what you're going to find. You get some bad luck like these walls, but I think most houses have these problems. Usually you can see it up in the, you can't see it here now, but you'll see where the rain or the stains from the water come down. So you know they have a roof problem, but these are all fixed now. Not too bad upstairs. So we're just working downstairs first, get this livable, and then work upstairs next, but that's it. I'll clean it up and show how it looks cleaned up. Actually, the fireplace you can see is a little bit, I took off a little bit of paint on the fireplace also on the bottom there. I'll scrape a little better again later, but so there's not really necessary. This doesn't fix the problem, and you can dry out a little bit better now also. All right, we'll let you see part 3 after I clean it up. Garmajoba. So today we're going to start a new project. Actually, it's kind of the same project, but a different room. This is the fireplace room. We got the fireplace here. So you can see the walls have some dampness in it. So like we did in the kitchen, I'm going to scrape the walls, take out all these floorboards or baseboards. Actually, baseboards is probably the correct name. And I think those are holding in some moisture also. I don't like them, they're just cheap plastic. So we're going to go all around this room today. And actually it goes under the stairs. Back into the little corner back there. I think I'm going to stack some wood underneath these stairs so I can use this space and let the wood dry out. But here's the other room we're going to have to work on also, but that's going to be later. So we're just going to get these baseboards out, scrape this plaster off that's already peeled, And that should do it for today. Got to put a light fixture in here also. A lot of work. I don't need a light fixture because I have a light, but that will be done in due time. No hurry. I got a long time. So it's just a quick video. We'll give you an update when I take this all off and show you how dirty it is, how it looks after it's off, and then I'll take another short video after I clean it up. But this is a pretty nice room. I really like these stairs. These are cement stairs also. Of course, they need a little loving. I washed them already once, but they could use another cleaning, another paint. I'm probably going to put wood on top of there, but that's not necessary. That's not necessary right now. So just getting these floorboards up. That's the project for today. We'll give you an update. So I haven't seen too many insects, maybe 2 or 3, but I did see this one. I don't know if you can see, I don't want to bite me, but the size. I think I'm going to let it live. Doesn't look like it has any pinchers or fangs. So I think just gonna let it be. Let it be.